What's going on, bruv?
Dude.
First off,
we got
swag.
some. Yeah.
God damn it, now they can see it's from China.
That's alright. We got some side skirts, dude.
Side skirts.
Because you can't be rocking the TBO with skirts.
Yeah, it looks like toe mater, dude.
Jank. Yeah, so you know.
It's like mater, but with tuh.
Just,
like
you know,
mater.
Gave Uncle Joel a ring on the phone. And
ring-a-ling-ling. Hi,
we brought these in for the boys, dude. So yeah.
Yeah, if you're on the island and you want any body kits, friggin' hit up Uncle Joel at Platform.
Hit up Uncle Joel. Tell him we sent you.
Turns out his name is actually Joel.
Easy as 1, 2, 3, dude.
Don't even friggin' mount them properly, just leave them like that.
Yeah, if you just leave the door closed, they'll stay on.
So you're marking the holes where you're gonna drill to mount them with?
Yeah.
Are you having trouble finding the hoe?
Dude, we need a low pro marker, man.
Just turn your wheel.
No, it's just the actual body of the car. Oh, hang on. Make sure you get as much Sharpie on your hands as possible.
Sharpie marks on the hand is like money in the bank, as my dad always said.
I know that.
Freaking swag right there.
Dude, let's just put holes right here.
Yeah, dude, just riv nut it on.
Whole right arm. They're installed. Good to go.
Decent. They look good.
Looks pretty tits, eh?
Yeah.
My dad gets so pissed when he sees the zip ties.
He does?
Your whole fucking front end's held together by zip ties. It's kind of the point, you know?
Just how it'd be. Quick release.
Yeah, exactly.
You can dream it, you can ream it.
No doubt.
I think Uncle Joel approves of this mounting method.
Dude, no doubt. Pretty sure Uncle Joel's are zip tied too, you know? If Uncle Joel's doing it,
Proper way.
you know it's not mids.
Yeah. He only does quads.
Yeah. It'd be cool to do like riv certs, eh? When we paint. Until we reassemble its whole unit. We'll do it like that.
Man, you're a huge TikTok guy.
Is that a TikTok song?
Non-stop, you're singing all the TikTok songs. That's the one that's like.
Dude, they're gonna ban TikTok pretty quick, eh?
Who?
Everyone. Banned in India.
The Chinese are taking all the info?
Yeah.
Everything's banned.
That's
in
actually
India.
a fact. You can look that shit up. They listen to everything you say. All the government higher-ups and like officials and shit not allowed to have TikTok on their phones. Military can't have it on their phones.
Well, dude, honestly, like those Alexa things.
Those are fun. I don't know why you would spend money on that. Why the fuck would you want that?
Listening to you non-stop.
Yeah, it's so dumb.
Same with having Siri on your phone.
Yeah, it's some bullshit. This is the sketchy pup. Oh yeah, she's fucking golden.
Fark. Alright, well this side's friggin' mounted.
That was tape.
Yeah, then some double side tape along here.
Yeah.
There's some double side tape along the frontal lobe. She's schwinky. Good door clearance, not like Ben's.
Even like,
remember Ben's R32 side skirt? He'd have to get out for you and then hold it down while you open the door.
no, see Adam, if we just trimmed in here a bit, because it's hitting on this body line right here, so if we just trimmed a little bit, this whole thing would sit flush. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's way too hot outside. We got one side on, taking a little break in the garage. Figure maybe we'll call Uncle Joel.
Since we know he's just eating a fucking Oreo McFlurry right now.
Yeah, not like Buddy's fucking working or anything, you know?
Yeah, we always waste his time anyway.
Platform garage?
Hey, is this Joel?
Yes, it is.
Hey, so I have like a 2013 Hyundai Genesis. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. Yeah, it's got the 2-liter turbo in it, so it's pretty quick. But
nice.
yeah, I was just wondering, like, I want to put like a chassis mount wing on it.
Oh, sick. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was just wondering, like, roughly what it would cost to get like you guys to install it, because like I don't even know, like I've never like turned a wrench before.
Well, what we need to do first is get the engine flip kit.
Okay, yeah.
So we have to flip your engine. So right now it's one way, and it needs to be flipped to be the other way.
Like sideways, like longitudinal.
No. Like upside down.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. See, I knew you'd know what I meant.
Cause yeah, I thought like it already burns a lot of oil, but like I think upside down it'll burn like the amount you want.
Yeah, it's better for them when they're upside down. They burn more oil like in like a better way.
Yeah, and also like the oil fill holes on the bottom anyway, so it'll make it easier to fill up. Cause every time I fill mine up from the bottom, like it just starts chooching back out. You know, it's fast.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. The second you take the oil, the jug away from that hole after you've been squeezing on it, it all starts to come out, right?
I know, it's shittered.
Cars are hard. We honestly, man, we don't even really work on them here either. We just sort of like you know, like pretend and like make videos.
Oh yeah, well
Yeah.
that's pretty sick.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, so like after the engine's flipped, like what would it cost to get like the rear bump removed and a fucking chassis mount on there?
18,000.
18,000. Okay, that's not bad.
Holy fuck. That's not bad, dude. That's 18 grand. That's not bad. Engine
Dude.
flip kit, chassis mount wing.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Andrew will chooch it out real quick.
Yeah, Andrew will just get him to grab his wand out of the box there, and he'll just fucking.
Well, that's pretty fire. I mean, I'll probably book it in for that then.
Oh, fire, dude. Well, let me. That's fire that you want to book that in, actually. So
It-
let me
it
just
is
look
pretty.
at my schedule here and see if I can make an appointment for you. We're booking into 2023 right now.
Oh shit, hey! I was
Yeah.
really hoping to flex at a rev scene with this chassis mount.
Oh, like tonight?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can bring your car down, and we'll get it done for tonight for the meet tonight for you.
Okay, so just one more question before I let you go. I know you're probably really busy, you know, but so when I flip it, are we like mounting it to the bottom of the hood, or like how does it work?
Yeah, exactly. You might have seen something like that before.
Yeah, I think I
Because
saw.
you're right. It is mounted to the hood.
Yeah, you just JB welded upside down, like friggin' cigaretter on the bottom of the cigarette, right?
I mean, you can use JB Weld. Some people do, but we like to just use RTV silicone.
Oh, okay.
We find that it's a little easier to apply and work with, and that it has a longer lasting finish.
Okay, and that comes out of Andrew's magic wand.
Yes, yeah.
He produces
And
a lot.
He usually keeps his magic wand in his pants, and all sorts of different things come out of his wand and
Okay.
fix cars. And you'll be flexing with the flip kit. They call that the flip kit flex.
Okay.
And we'll get you the chassis mount wing, and you can flex the chassis mount wing too.
Well, honestly, like you just lit my whole house on fire with that news.
That's how fire. That's platform, man. You know, it's just fire. Everything's fire.
Well, right on.
We don't even gotta be there to bug them, man.
Man, I know. We were thinking we couldn't make it over today, so we thought we'd cellularly bother you.
You better have that shit on speakerphone, and that better be in the next vlog.
Dude,
You
100%.
certainly are. Fuck around. How'd you know it was the boys?
Because nobody asks about that ridiculous shit.
What do you mean? No one comes in with a Jenny?
No one comes in with a Jenny and immediately asks for a chassis mount wing.
No, but even as soon as I said I got a 2013 Genesis, you were like, "Oh, that's fire, dude."
You're not gonna get past Uncle Joel that easy.
Oh, fuck around. Well, I'll call you back in about 10 minutes. I mean, I don't know if I will call you back.
You do what you can. I'm in the business of making people happy, so you gotta play ball sometimes. But
Oh, yeah.
I'd want to help the guy out and make sure he wasn't putting the first thing on his car was a fucking chassis mount wing.
We'll let you get back to whatever you guys do there.
Well, you know, just like I said, pretending, and the odd flip kit, right? The odd engine flip kit.
Yeah, honestly, I might have to get, like, I'm considering it.
Okay, you guys scream shit really loud, and keep being mids, and keep it up, guys.
Mids.
What the fuck's up with the mids, man?
We're quads. We're quad.
We're so quad. All right. You guys can be quads. All right.
All right, see you
Alright,
later,
alright.
Crawdad.
Yeah, keep being quads, and we'll talk to you later.
All right, sounds good. See ya.
Bye, Uncle
See
Joel.
you on the mids.
All right.
See you later.
See ya.
That's Uncle Joel.
Yeah.
Buddy's got a
Joel.
YouTube channel. We'll put it in the description.
Platform Garage.
Great guys.
Great guy. We go there, we spend a shit ton of money and waste at least 4 hours of his time.
Wasting all Uncle Joel's time, dude.
Yeah, Andrew's in there wrenching, getting stuff done, and we're just talking about fucking
Standing
chassis
back
mounts.
for 4
Yeah.
hours. Quick and easy mod, dude.
Mods.
Skirt it up.
What do you think of the Skirtus?
Pretty tits. This one fits kind of. Everything on this side of the car just fits jank.
Maybe it's cursed.
Maybe it's hit the fucking guardrail on the highway, dude.
Maybe it's 50-50. Okay, you want to do a quick skinny?
Yeah, in a sec. I'm just gonna fix this really quick for the skinny.
That old real shit.
Alright, dude. So the filaments, man, we got them on. It fits pretty good on this side. Around here's a little caddy compass. If you look down, it just needs to be trimmed so it sits in the door more flush. Kev's got the angle grinder, or like, not the angle grinder, just like the cutting wheel. So I'll wait till he gets home to fix that. And then we're gonna get this situated. We're gonna make like a mount that'll bolt this actually together, kind of like the OEM style mounts that come on the bumpers. Other than that, dude, it's looking pretty fucking right on. What do you think?
Yeah, it's sick.
These wheels, man, should be coming in like 2 or 3 weeks. So by the time this video comes out, we might even fucking have them, dude.
That's sick, dude.
Pretty tits, dude. But yeah, if you like the video, subscribe, because once we hit 15k, you don't even know what's about to happen. We did this shit for 14k. Just you fucking wait, man.
Maybe we'll paint our cars for 15k.
Yeah, maybe we will do something more fucked for 15k. But yeah, starting to come together. Yeah.
The boys will try to